Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आदलो सॉलिसिटर जनरल आंतरराष्ट्रीय नामनेचो ज्येष्ठ आदवोगाद हरीश साळवेन रिपब्लिक टीव्हीक दिल्ल्या मुलाखतीत गोयच्या मायनिंग केशीत सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निकालाचो पंचनामो केलो. कोर्टाच्या चुकीच्या निकालाक लागून उद्देग कसो त्रासात पडलो ताचेर साळवे उलयला. कोर्टान टेलिकॉम, कोळसो आनी गोयच्या मायनिंग केशीत चुकीचे निकाल दिल्ल्यान सगळ्या देशाची अर्थव्यवस्था खंय हाल्ली.
We had some terrible wrong turns and the telecom case was one of them. And this whole pattern of court-monitored investigation, which has always proved to be a disaster. One of the worst things which the Supreme Court has done, and two of the most deeply flawed judgments of the Supreme Court relate to the coal mines and the closing of the Goa mining system. It is these people who managed to get the Supreme Court to shut down all coal mines. See the amount of economic pain which you've inflicted on India by closing all these mines. Forget everything else. So it is these people who now are disappointed. Now we have to accept it. We were disappointed when the court gave judgments like the coal mines. I was personally very disappointed. I felt the court was taking a wrong turn, but that's what it is.
काय मोजकेच लोक UPA 2 सरकारा वेळार कोर्टावरवी आपले साधन घेताले म्हणून साळवे सांगता.
UPA 2 left such a large space for critics who could demonstrably show that it was a government crippled by crony capitalism, that it created a huge space for people to use the judicial system to impose their will and rule through the judicial system.
जस्टिस गोगोय आणि ताच्या उपरांत आयिल्ल्या सरन्यायाधीशांनी कोर्टाच्या कारभारात सुधारणा केल्ल्यान हे लोक खंय आता अस्वस्थ झाल्यात.
The court has Justice Mishra's court, Gogoy's court, Bobde's court have now brought in a degree of they are perfectly conversant of what happens when you overstep your boundaries and end up getting into a situation which then leaves you with things which are not judicially manageable. And we have hit reset. Now this reset has upset that class of people who realize that if they cannot win elections and come in through the ballot, they can come in through the PIL and get the government to do their bidding. And those people are the ones who have started this binary conversation of saying either a judge accepts our perception in our public interest litigation or the judge is pro-Modi or pro-government.
2G टेलिकॉम, कोल आणि गोयच्या मायनिंगे सारखेल्या केशींनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निकालाक लागून गोयची आणि देशाची अर्थव्यवस्था पुराय हल्ली. सरकार आणि लोकांचे पोटापाण्याक हाल. सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या हालीच्या सरन्यायाधीशांनी काय गजाली जाग्यार घाल्यात. उठसूट कोर्टांनी वचून आपले साधन घेवपी या ठराविक लोकांचे उपद्व्याप आता आदले इतले साधना. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार.